Right, this unit is called multiplying and dividing by 10, 100 and 1000. So let's just write this down here. 10, 100 and 1000. Okay? And let's do an activity. So here it's saying let's do one of the questions. So let's do an example. Alright, let's just do 13 times 10. First of all, when you've got a multiplication, you straight away know that the answer is going to be greater, bigger, yeah? Because you're multiplying by something, you want more of something, so you know it's going to be greater. The fact that when you know it's greater, with multiplication you always count this way, always hop this way, or you add that way, to the right, yeah? So, in this case, we do 13. How many zeros does it have? We have 1. So in this sequence, you always look at the zeros of the pattern or the number that you're using. So in this case, we're using 10. We've got 1 0. So you add 1 0. Yeah. And another example. Let's do another example. Let's do division. So we do 462 divided by 100. Now let's look at this. You're talking about division, right? And in division, you're dividing. So you're making it into smaller sections, so you know it's going to be smaller. The answer is going to be smaller. You're dividing. So division, you'd always count this way, hop along this way. So you write the answer down. So it's 462. Now decimals come into play because they're getting smaller. So decimal starts on the end. You can also write these numbers like this. But in this case, because you don't need the zeros, you can cancel them out. Just write it as 462. So just pretend there's a decimal point there, and the zeros are there. You start with the decimal. How many zeros does 100 have? 2. So you hop along. 1, 2. Decimal point comes there. So then the answer would be 4.62. Right, let's do another one. It looks difficult, but it's the same process. So 3k is got 0.02 divided by 100. Okay, so same as division. We're going this way. So write the number down that you're dividing from, so 0.02. Decimal point is here for you already. Dividing, how many zeros does 100 have? 2. So you're hopping along 2. So hop along 2. 1, 2. This case is 0. This will be here. You just add zeros. Just add zeros. So that will be 0 point, new decimal point, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 2. This is your new answer. Yeah, so this is division here, and then you got multiplication questions here as well, so you should be able to do it. It's quite straightforward, this.